In morning class, today we are going to start types of SQL functions. So first one is single row function or scalar function. We call it scalar function also. You may face question also in the examination like what are scalar function or what are single row function. So answer will be same. So what is answer here? It works with a single row at a time. A single row function returns a result for every row of a query table. Examples: round function, length function, power function, etc. There are many more functions. We have seen examples also, and now also we can see. Second function is multiple row function, also called group function and also called aggregate function. It works with data of multiple rows at a time and return aggregated value. Example: sum, count, average. Now see, what is this multiple row function or single row function? One example: if I want to find sum of a particular attribute, one row will not work. I need more than one row. So that's why sum function comes under multiple row. I want to count. Here also more than one row is required. So count function will also come under multiple row. Average. I cannot find average of one number. I need more than one number. This is also under multiple row function or aggregate function or group function. Now in single row, I want round off a number. So in one number I can do it 123.45. This can be rounded up. Length, I want length of a string. I can write length, then SSNL, I can find length 4. Power, I can find power of one number also. So this is how these numbers works. Now let us see. One question is here: how many rows are there? Now how you will find? You have a table, but you will have to write a query. So how you will write? Table is marks. Select count, start from marks. So total number of rows or tuples will be shown here. We can write count marks also instead of this asterisk symbol or star. This will also give you the same result. Next we have group by function. Group by is a clause. Remember one thing. Normally we call it clause. So group by clause can be used in a select statement to collect data across multiple records and group the results by one or more columns. It groups the rows on the basis of the values present in one of the column, and then the aggregate function are applied on any column of these groups to obtain the result of the query. So remember, group by clause is always applicable on group of function, group of rows. Now one example I have taken here, you can see. This clause can be explained with the help of reference of the table, that is student. Now here rows can be divided into 4 groups on the basis of the column stream. So I have a table student. In that table I have 4 groups under the column stream. Stream is the attribute name. Now here one group of row belongs to science, the other group is commerce, next is humanities, and fourth one is vocational. So these 4 are the different groups. So here we will use group by clause on the basis of the divided stream column. How will implement? What is the syntax? So see here, select column name. It can be one, it can be more than one. Column name 1, column name 2, column name n. Now your aggregate function, count, average, whatever you say. Then expression, and from tables. This is single query. Now where? Then we have condition, whether we want to apply for all or a particular condition. Then group by column 1, column 2 and column n. Now let us see the result. Here column name must be included. The column on the basis of grouping is to be done. So remember, example, to display the name, stream, marks and count the total number of students who have secured more than 90 marks according to their stream. So what I have to display? I have to display name, stream and marks and count the total number of students. Select name is okay, stream. Now I have to count. So count star as number of students from student where marks greater than 90. This is a condition. And group by stream because there are different stream. One more example, query here. Select count customer ID, comma country from customers. One more table is there. So I want to count customer ID and country. I want to group by country and order by count customer ID in descending order. You can see the result here. Counted country wise. So USA 13, Germany 11, France 11, Brazil 9, UK 7, Spain 5, Mexico 5. And accordingly, condition is I have to display order by and descending order. So we have already done order by. So in descending order it is showing 13, 11, 11, 9, 7, 5, 5. One more query. Select count customer ID, country from customers, group by country. So here customer ID 329 and